In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where Xbox Game Pass, PC, and Microsoft Store saves your game files. I'll show you guys where it saves. Open up File Explorer and go to C drive and open the users folder. You need to open the username folder. If you doesn't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username. Then double click on it. Now select the view option and select show. Make sure you checked this hidden items, and then you can able to see this app data folder. Double click on it and open the local folder, and now open the packages folder. Select this date modified. The most recent save, the one you created last time you played, will always show at the top. So if you played today, you will see the today's date in the save file folder. Or you can also open the Xbox app and select the game and select C in store. Scroll down. Under information, you can able to see developed by. Using that, you can navigate to the folder, guys. In my case, Joy City, as you can see. Same thing to find in Microsoft Store. Search for the game and scroll down. In additional information developed by, you can able to see the folder name. In my case, Joy City. Just open the folder and double click on System App Data folder and double click on this WGS folder, and this is where all our game progress will be saved. Do this before switching to a new PC or updating the game. Just go back and just copy the WGS folder and paste it in another location, just like this. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore just by copy and paste it in this location, guys, and your game progress will be back. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.